So I wanted to film this to show you this is something that happens every year in the area where I live, but also in other parts of my country. And in fact, this is called the Big Fire, and it is supposed to burn winter. So it's called the Big Fire to burn winter, and it's a symbol of winter, and it's a bunch of pine trees, as you can see, and on the first Saturday of March they set fire to that bunch of pine trees, and it of course makes a very, very huge fire. And there are people who are watching and so on. We have some drinks and so on, and this is happening on next Saturday, on March the 5th. As you can see, it's written there. There is a board. I don't know if you can see it. So if I'm at home on Saturday, I'll be coming to film it, because it's not far from my house. It's about 6 kilometers from my village, and so I can film it. And so it's happening next Saturday, and if I'm here, I come to film it. Okay, today it's a lovely day, and it smells spring, as you can see. Yes, spring also happens in Belgium sometimes. Bye bye.